Hello students, welcome to online session of GK. I hope you all are fine and safe. Here we will continue with the chapter number 3, Science and Panoramic. In the last lecture it has been completed till the page number 36. So today we'll start with the page number 37, that is Rapid Fire 3. In that the first question is, Aswal is a capital of dash. Students, it's a capital of Mizoram. Okay, question number 2. What kind of animal was the miniature of Rudraprayag shot by Jim Corbett? The answer is a leopard. Question number 3. Who was world's first woman prime minister? Student, the world's first woman prime minister is Sri Mavo Bandaranaike of Sri Lanka. Okay, now the question number 4. After independence, 3 princely states refused to join either India or Pakistan. Name them. The 3 states who didn't join after independence are Kashmir, Hyderabad, and Junagadh. Okay, now question number 5. Which country produced the largest number of cut and polished diamond? Student, which country it is? It's India. Question number 6. The person who killed Harry Potter's parents is Voldemort. Okay, now the 7th question. Harry Potter's best friend and fellow student at the Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry is, the answer for the 7th one is Ron Weasley. Okay, now the question number 8. When a ship enters sea from the river, what happens to it? The answer is it rises a little. Okay, question number 9. The period of revolution of a geostationary satellite is, it takes how many hours to revolve it? The student, the answer for the 9th one is 24 hours. The first women cricketer player to reach 6,000 ODI runs. The first women cricketer player to reach 6,000 ODI run is Mithali Raj. Question number 11. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to USA? The answer is France. Okay, question number 12. Which organization symbol is a candle enclosed in a barbed wire? The answer for the 12th one is Amnesty International. Question number 13. The letters that he wrote to his daughter from jail were published as a book, Letters from a Father to a Daughter. Name both the father and the daughter. Student, you have to name both your father as well as the daughter. The father, he has written a letter to his daughter from jail. The answer, the father is Jawaharlal Nehru and the daughter was Indira Gandhi. Question number 14. If a decathlon and with 1500 race, what does it begin with? The answer for the 14th one is 100-meter sprint. Question number 15. Whose world record did Sir Gary Sober's break when he scored 365 not out? Student, whose record he has broken? Sir Gary Sober. I hope you must have heard the name of this cricketer. The answer for the 15th one is Sir Lean Hutons. He has made 364 run. Students, I hope that you all are writing the answers. Okay, now we will move on the next question, that is question number 16. What is a giant explosion that leads to the death of a star called? The answer for the 16th one is, students, supernova. Okay, now the question number 17. Name the gas which protect us from the harmful effects of the sun's ultraviolet radiation. I think so, student, you must have studied in science this. The answer you might be knowing it. The answer for the 17th one is ozone. Question number 18. Which four animals are featured on the Hogwarts coat of arms in the Harry Potter book? The answer is lion, eagle, badger, and snake. Again, I repeat the answer for the 18th one, students. Lion, eagle, badger, and snake. Question number 19. Name the country where the sun rises over the Pacific Ocean and then set over the Atlantic. The answer for the 19th question is Panama. Question number 20. This is the last question, students. Which country has 12 seas on its territory? The answer is Russia. Students, here we had completed the rapid fire 3 and our chapter is also completed. That means the chapter number 3, that science and panorama, we had completed. So in the next lecture we will move on the new topic, that is the wonders that is in India. So students, I hope you will complete and you will send me the homework. Thank you, students. Here we are ending my session.